Alright guys, so I'm going to get started obviously with my eyebrows first because I mean, that's what I always do. And I gave you guys the option to choose between the brow pencil and the brow pomade, and you guys chose the pomade. So that's what I'm gonna do. And as always, I'm gonna speed right through this because you guys have already seen my brow routine. And if you have not, then I'm gonna link it up here. Alright guys, now I'm going to clean them up using the No Filter Concealer. You guys know this is my favorite concealer from Colourpop. And if you guys haven't noticed, you guys, I did do my eyebrows. I got them done yesterday. I got them done yesterday and they are looking amazing. The eyebrow girl that I got was actually really good, and my usual eyebrow girl wasn't there, so I was honestly very nervous going in there, but she really took her time and did my brows, and I was very surprised. I really liked her, and yeah, I really liked the way she did them. She cleaned them out, and she even like kind of tried to make these two brows from the front and from the tails, because I have different tails, like this one's shorter than that one. But overall, I really liked her. I was very nervous going in there, but I came out very pleased. Now I'm gonna be taking again my No Filter Concealer, and I'm gonna be covering up these lids because, you know, my lid's a little dark. But I love this concealer, you guys. And for setting powder, I'm going to be using the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. The stuff that I only have one of, I didn't really make a pull for it because, I mean, I'm not gonna... There's only one concealer, so that's why I didn't make a pull for the concealer. And for the setting powder, I know they have like blotting powders, I believe that is, but I only have the setting powder, so that's what I'm gonna use. And also for my eyes, I asked you guys if you guys wanted me to use the Sweet Talk palette or if you guys wanted me to use the colorful palettes that they have, and of course you guys chose the colorful palettes, so that's what I'm gonna use, you guys. And I also asked if you guys wanted me to incorporate some Super Shock shadows, and y'all said yes, so I gotcha. And for the eyes, honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I've only used, yeah, I've only used this palette so far. So I'm a little nervous, to be honest, because I don't know how the other two work. I really like the pink. I really like the pink one. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna try to use a combination of the three. I know the green one might throw the look a little off, but I just want to check it out and see what's going on with it and see if I can make it work with everything. All right, so to start off the look, I think I'm gonna take this palette. I'm gonna be taking this one. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking Soft Core, which is this one right here. I'm gonna be taking that into my crease, and this is just a Colourpop blending brush. These don't have the names, the names to them yet, because I bought them like in their first launches, so I don't have it, but I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna have it linked down below. And yeah, I am very surprised at the blendability with this one because, like I said, I haven't tried out the other ones, but this one is so good. I really like it. And if y'all hear any like background noise, I do have my dog in the room with me. I'm gonna take the purple palette and I'm gonna be going into this one, and I'm gonna be using another blending brush, and I'm just gonna be going right around it too. Now to deepen it up, I'm taking a Makeup Shack T33, and I'm going to take this shade right here and just add it to the outer corners. I'm going to be taking a little bit of Sleeper too. And on the back of that brush, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Cove or Trove. I'm taking that one and adding it to it too. Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking Trove, Caddy, Fan Fiction, and Sleeper all on the same brush, and I'm going to be using that to blend this out. Now to blend everything together, I'm going back in with Soft Core and blending all of this together. With a T67, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Sandbar. I'm going to place it in the inner corners. See how that looks. Alright, so now I'm going to add my Super Shock Shadow, and I really hope this works with the look. If not, then oh well. This is special delivery, and I'm going to be putting that in on my lid with my finger. You guys, this shade is so pretty and it matches my shirt. Alright, so for primer, I'm going to be using the All-Star Primer. And this is a mattifying primer, and I really like it. And since it's the only primer that they have, so I'm just going to use that. Alright guys, now for foundation, I asked y'all if y'all wanted me to use the stick foundation or the liquid foundation, and y'all chose the liquid foundation, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm just going to pour this right on top of here. Now you guys already know that this is one of my holy grail foundations. Like, oh my gosh, I honestly really enjoy this foundation so much. It looks so good on my skin. So I'm going to be setting my under eyes with the translucent powder, which is that right there. Again, they only have one setting powder, so that's what I'm going to use. But it's honestly still a really good powder. But it's not my favorite anymore. I mean, I like it, but it's not really my favorite anymore. Because my under eyes have been getting drier over the years. Alright guys, for my under eyes, I'm going to be using this palette right here. Honestly, I don't know what I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this Colourpop and another like flat kind of blending brush. I'm going to use that for my eyes. I'm going to take this one right here, the Kiss My Haas, that one right there. I'm going to take that under my eyes first. Alright, now to blend that out, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Alright, now for the outer corners, I'm going to be using this shade right here, the Act Natural. And really focus this more on the outer corner. Alright, so that's kind of where I'm going to stop for now. I'm going to be putting on my lashes and yeah, so I'm gonna put on my lashes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so finally I got my lashes on. If my eyes are red, I don't know, every time I have anything near my eyes they turn red, so they're just sensitive. Okay, I really like them. These are actually new lashes that I got from Be Great Beauty, which is this right here. Oh, I don't have any inside, but their packaging is actually really cute. These are in the style Houston, and yeah, because I mean I had to get the style because if you know, you know. And yeah, I'm actually really, these are actually really cute. And for my waterline, I did go in with the shade Besto, I guess, from their cream gel liners. But it wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be, so I went over it with another black one because I don't have a black one from Colourpop. I did buy a pink one for my bottom lashes, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm very excited to see how this works. Alright guys, so there it is. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but in person it looks so pretty. And since Colourpop doesn't have a contour thing, I'm not gonna contour or anything. So I'm gonna take this one. This is in the shade California Dreaming, so CA Dreaming, which is this one right here. And this is my favorite bronzer, you guys. And I'm just gonna bronze. Oh, and this one is the F13. So I'm gonna end up mixing these two together. This one is Private Party, so these two, I'm just gonna mix them together. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean up this bronzer because I feel like I took it a little too low. So I'm just gonna take the same Colourpop powder and I'm going to clean this up. Alright, so while I let that bake a little, I am going to go in with blush. Alright, so for blush, I'm going to be taking these. I'm just going to swirl through all of them, actually. Alright guys, and now I am going to wipe all of this away. Alright, oh my gosh, you guys, this look is coming together. I love it. Alright, now I'm going to be setting my face with the All-Star setting spray. So alright, so for my highlight, I am going to be using this palette, the Nude Endo palette. And it's really pretty, you guys. I really like it. Alright guys, so I completely forgot that I do have some of their loose highlights. So I am going to use this one, but I'm going to use this one on top just to give it a little extra oomph. So I am going to be taking this shade right here and that shade right there. That is so, oh my goodness, you guys. I swear Colourpop kills it every time. Oh, their stuff is just so nice. Alright, so in this shade, I'm going to be using the shade Gnomie or something like that. I'm going to have everything linked in the description box, so just look at that and you guys will see. And this I'm just gonna be putting it on top. Oh, you guys, this is just even more blinding. Alright guys, so for inner corner highlight, I did notice I did not have inner corner highlight. And I think I'm gonna leave my brow bone as is. I'm not sure yet, to be quite honest. I'm going to be taking this shade. I'm going to be using a Super Shock shadow in the inner corner. So I'm going to be taking shade Ladybird, and I'm going to be putting that in right directly into my inner corner. Alright, so for lipstick, I'm going to be going in with What's Your Sign, and on top of that, I'm taking Moonchild. They're both from Kathleen Light's collabs, and I'm just going to be putting those on. Yo, this is honestly like my favorite lipstick. It's really pretty. And on top of that, like I said, I'm gonna be going in with Moonchild. And now to top it off, again, I am going to be setting my face with the All-Star setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Y'all, I am honestly pretty shook. Y'all wanted something colorful, so y'all got something colorful. And I honestly, guys, I cannot stop like looking at my eyes. They look really pretty, and like all of the shades just blended together really, really nicely. And I'm kind of living for it. So yeah, you guys. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments below what other one brand tutorials you guys want me to do. I have a feeling maybe BH is gonna be next, but I don't know. What do you guys want me to do? Leave your requests down below and I'll get on it. Anyways, yeah, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you guys like these types of videos. Give it a thumbs up and I'll get more out for you guys. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought of this look. If you guys have tried anything out from these products that I used, let me know down below if you guys love them or not. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.